Hi guys, back with another video on this channel. So today I'm gonna quickly review one application for you guys. It's called Codec. Okay, so I will make sure that it will appear on Play Store so you can easily locate it, or I will give you the link in the description about this app. Download link in the description. Okay, just codec, just type search codec and just see. Okay, here is written text converter, encoder and decoder. Okay, just click on that, and after you install this, just open this, and for now I'm gonna just select the binary because I feel easy. Okay, just type anything you want on this line. This is the input data and this is the output data. So if you don't believe in the conversion of this app, you can just select it just to make sure that it is in the binary form. I'm gonna copy this and decode it. Okay, I'm just gonna copy it and just head over Chrome, and just I have found a website that's called unitconversion.info, the convert text to binary. Okay, so binary numbers to text here is written. If there is text to binary numbers, then you can just change it from here. Okay, so I'm gonna place my input data, which is the binary code that I copied from my application, just to make sure that the application encode our text into binary code, just to make sure. Okay, so let's see YouTube. Okay, here is written YouTube, and what we have written YouTube. Okay, so in this way you can encode your text into binary or ASCII. You can choose many options you want. Okay, so the reason there might be millions of applications which can do this, but why I recommend you this is that it's not a paid advertisement or something. I just found it on the Play Store and I'm just reviewing it. Just the reason behind why I'm just reviewing this app, why I'm suggesting you this app, is that you can directly encode the text. For an example, I am using the light version of Facebook. Okay, so I want to post a status on binary code. So okay, so why the heck I want to do that? But for example, I want to show you. Um, Good morning. Okay, I want to write stupid thing like good morning. Something stupid like good morning. So I want to directly convert it without going to the app. What I want to do is just select all the text which I want to encode and just select on this three dot and just encode it. Press and encode it. It is encoded. So in this way you can try this application for many purposes. Maybe you can try to start a group with a secret message, or you can host a website, a local website where you can create your own community, and you don't want noobs to read your message or something like that. So thank you for watching. I hope this little piece of information will help you in the future for any ideas, ideologies. Okay, thank you for watching.